Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix "you can't make this change at the moment" on Facebook. Alright, let's begin. First, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Now, tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, scroll down and find Help and Support and tap on it to expand the menu. From here, tap on Report a Problem. Next, tap on Continue to Report so you can proceed further. Now scroll down carefully and select Privacy. In the description box, clearly explain the issue you are facing related to not being able to make changes. Make sure your explanation is short and clear. If you have any proof, screenshots, or error messages, attach them as well. Once everything is done, tap on the Send button and submit the report. Facebook will review your issue and respond after some time. So, that's basically how you can fix "you can't make this change at the moment" on Facebook. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks!